Hello, this is my project. It's called Project Framework. It's a Ruby on Rails application, and it's a basic project management app. So this is the root path, which is my home page, welcomes the user. User can choose to sign up or log in. Login option is also third-party OmniAuth through Google. I'm going to log in with a previously made account. Okay, so once you log in, it's going to take you to the user's project index page. Here you can see all of the projects that the user is working on. Currently, I have 2 projects listed on this page. You can see just a kind of makeshift navigation bar at the top here. You have a link back to this projects page throughout the application, and you have a link to add a new project. This new project form allows a user to create a project by assigning its name, description, and deadline. The project has 3 top requirements. Once a project's created, a user can go through and add in additional requirements. So on the project show page, you can see the project name, description, and deadline. And then you can see a list of incomplete and a list of all of the requirements for the project. Here, just for the requirements, it's showing the description of the requirement, the status of whether or not it's been completed, and the deadline that the user has assigned for that particular requirement. If you change the status of a requirement, I use the scope method that is displaying all of the requirements that have a status of incomplete. So you'll see it inside of this list. If you click on requirement details, this will take you to my nested show page, project ID, requirement ID. You can see the project name listed above, and then all the requirement attributes. So the description, the priority, the deadline, and then really just some notes about how you're going to accomplish the requirement or things left to do, that kind of thing. Full CRUD is available for requirements and projects in this application. So a user has the ability to delete, edit, and then we've already seen a show for read. So here's the edit form pre-populated with the different pieces of the requirement. So if you go back to your projects and your project index, and on this project show page, we've gone over the views, the links to the requirements show page and its functionality. The edit and delete functionality is the same here for a project. And the nested new form is to add a new requirement for this project. So this form uses a nested route of projects, ID, requirements, and new. And then through this form, you're able to take the project ID and associate a new requirement, and then also a deadline attribute for that requirement in this form. So that is the basic functionality of my application, and thank you for your time. Appreciate it.